How to fix printer driver is unavailable. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix printer driver is not available problem in your Windows device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step that you'll need to take is simply search for your device manager. So search for device manager. This is the first step here. And inside device manager, you'll find your printer. So search for printer and you should find print queues. And if you have plugged in your printer, you should find printer. Now inside here, after you find printer, you can then simply search for your disks, your drivers. So search for the driver that should be inside your printer. And since I don't have plugged in my printer, it is not available right here. But if you see it, you can simply open that up. Let me show you for an example. Open that up and head over to its printer's driver. This is not the one. Let me show you. I'll show you with the device driver adapter. So inside here, you'll find the driver section where you will need to tap on update driver or simply install device. So simply select whichever one and search for your driver. So let me tap on update driver and it will show me like here, show me this option. So if you know where your driver for your printer is, you can simply tap on browse for computers and browse it and then tap on next and follow along. If not, you can simply search for any driver that's available and it should fix your problem. If it does not fix your problem, simply search for printers and scanners inside your search bar and open that up. It will open up your system settings, and inside here, you will need to tap on add a printer or scanner. So tap on add device. And after you tap on add device, it should simply search for any printer that you just plug in. If you don't find it, tap on add a new device manually and just follow along with this process. So here, you can simply select as a shared printer by name. You can add a printer using the IP address that is wireless, simply for the Bluetooth as well, and so on and on. Just add the printer and you should be good to go. And that's how you fix the problem, and it's that simple as well. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye-bye. Take care.